Los Angeles, October 31, 2017. Per Newswire. CarInsuranceQuotesInfo.com has released a new blog post explaining the importance of online car insurance quotes when looking for coverage. Online auto insurance quotes are an essential tool for finding the right coverage policy. It is now possible to review multiple policies in a simple and efficient way. Clients can find the latest coverage options in just a few minutes by visiting http://CarInsuranceQuotesInfo.com. The website has important contacts in the industry and uses a few details to determine accurate price estimates for each customer. An auto insurance quote shows the essential details about a plan. It is important to review both the prices and the coverage amount that an agency offers. Clients can get online car insurance quotes without paying anything for these services and without having to buy a policy. How to get car insurance quotes. Drivers can get a list of auto insurance quotes by entering their zip codes and by completing an online quote form. Both steps are essential because they offer details that help brokers estimate coverage costs. Multiple rates from different agencies will help drivers find the best deal in their area. By doing a simple price comparison, it is possible to save more than 25% on coverage expenses. Clients should always review multiple plans before signing a contract. Online car insurance quotes are a great tool for finding the right coverage plan for your vehicle. It is possible to review multiple quotes in just a few minutes, without having to visit multiple websites, said Russell Rabachev, marketing director of Internet Marketing Company. CarInsuranceQuotesInfo.com is an online provider of life, home, health, and auto insurance quotes. This website is unique because it does not simply stick to one kind of insurance provider, but brings the clients the best deals from many different online insurance carriers. In this way, clients have access to offers from multiple carriers all in one place. This website. On this site, customers have access to quotes for insurance plans from various agencies, such as local or nationwide agencies, brand names, insurance companies, etc. For more information, please visit http://CarInsuranceQuotesInfo.com. Media contact Russell Rabachev, Internet Marketing Company, 800.475.3410 via email. Protected news distributed by PR Newswire. iReach http://reach.pernewswire.com. Source: CarInsuranceQuotesInfo.com. Latest story showed a sponsor at Expod and at Cloud Expo 2018 by Yeshem Deniz. 22nd International Cloud Expo, taking place June 57, 2018, at the Javits Center in New York City, New York, and co-located with the first DX World Expo, will feature technical sessions from a rockstar conference faculty and the leading industry players in the world. Cloud computing is now being embraced by a majority of enterprises of all sizes. Yesterday's debate about public versus private has transformed into the reality of hybrid cloud. A recent survey shows that 74% of enterprises have a hybrid cloud. October 31, 2017, 0400 p.m. EDT reads 415 session. Migrating to automated infrastructure. Pat Romanska. Containers are rapidly finding their way into enterprise data centers, but change is difficult. How do enterprises transform their architecture with technologies like containers without losing the reliable components of their current solutions? In his session at DevOps Summit at 21st Cloud Expo, Tony Campbell, Director, Educational Services at Corios, will explore the challenges organizations are facing today as they move to containers and go over how Kubernetes applications can deploy with Lega. October 31, 2017, 0330 p.m. EDT reads 1741 session. The concierge system of the future. Be Elizabeth White. Recently, ReanCloud built a digital concierge for a North Carolina hospital that had observed that most patient call button questions were repetitive. In addition, the paper-based process used to measure patient health metrics was laborious, not in real time, and sometimes error-prone. In their session at 21st Cloud Expo, Sean Finnerty, Executive Director, Practice Lead, Healthcare Life Science at ReanCloud, and Dr. S.P.T. Krishnan, Principal Architect at ReanCloud, will discuss how they boot. October 31, 2017, 0300 p.m. EDT reads 1122 session. DX in the modern enterprise. Pat Romanska. Digital transformation. DX is not a one-size-fits-all strategy. Each organization needs to develop its own unique long-term DX plan. It must do so by realizing that we now live in a data-driven age, and that technologies such as cloud computing, big data, the IoT, cognitive computing, and blockchain are only tools. In her general session at 21st Cloud Expo, Rebecca Wanta will explain how the strategy must focus on DX and include a commitment from top management to create great IT jobs. Monet, October 31, 2017, 0300 p.m. EDT reads 1315 Opsani to exhibit at Cloud Expo Silicon Valley. Yesham Dennis Siscon Events announced today that Opsani to exhibit at SYSCON's 21st Cloud Expo, which will take place on October 31 through November 2, 2017 at the Santa Clara Convention Center in Santa Clara, California. Opsani is creating the next generation of automated continuous deployment tools designed specifically for containers. How is continuous deployment different from continuous integration and continuous delivery? CI/CD tools provide build and test. Continuous deployment is the means by which, October 31, 2017, 0245 p.m. EDT reads 1079 session Nordstrom's digital transformation. B. Elizabeth White Nordstrom is transforming the way that they do business, and the cloud is the key to enabling speed and hyper-personalized customer experiences. In his session at 21st Cloud Expo, Ken Cho, VP of Engineering at Nordstrom, will discuss some of the key learnings and common pitfalls of large enterprises moving to the cloud. This includes strategies around choosing a cloud provider's architecture and lessons learned. In addition, he'll go over some of the best practices for structured team migrate. October 31, 2017, 0230 p.m. EDT reads 1476 Opsani to exhibit at Cloud Expo Silicon Valley. B. Liz McMillan Siscon Events announced today that Opsani will exhibit at SYSCON's 21st International Cloud Expo, which will take place on October 31, November 2, 2017, at the Santa Clara Convention Center in Santa Clara, California. Opsani is the leading provider of deployment automation systems for running and scaling traditional enterprise applications on container infrastructure. October 31, 2017, 0200 p.m. EDT reads 908 Opening keynote at Cloud Expo Silicon Valley. B. Liz McMillan in his opening keynote at 21st Cloud Expo, John Considine, General Manager of IBM Cloud Infrastructure, will lead you through the exciting evolution of the cloud. He'll look at this major disruption from the perspective of technology, business models, and what this means for enterprises of all sizes. John Considine is General Manager of Cloud Infrastructure Services at IBM. In that role, he is responsible for leading IBM's public cloud infrastructure, including strategy, development, and offering. October 31, 2017, 0100 p.m. EDT reads 2302 How to sponsor at Expod and at Cloud Expo 2018 by Elizabeth White. 22nd International Cloud Expo, taking place June 57, 2018, at the Javits Center in New York City, New York, and co-located with the first DX World Expo, will feature technical sessions from a rockstar conference faculty and the leading industry players in the world. Cloud computing is now being embraced by a majority of enterprises of all sizes. Yesterday's debate about public versus private has transformed into the reality of hybrid cloud. A recent survey shows that 74% of enterprises have a hybrid cloud. October 31, 2017, 12:45 p.m. EDT reads 1453 Google Cloud keynote sponsor of Cloud Expo. B. Elizabeth White Siscon Events announced today that Google Cloud has been named keynote sponsor of SYSCON's 21st International Cloud Expo, which will take place on October 31, November 2, 2017, at the Santa Clara Convention Center in Santa Clara, California. Companies come to Google Cloud to transform their businesses. Google Cloud's comprehensive portfolio, from infrastructure to apps to devices, helps enterprises innovate faster, scale smarter, stay secure, and do more with data than ever before. October 31, 2017, 12:30 p.m. EDT reads 1322 How to sponsor at DevOps Summit 2018 by Pat Romansky at DevOps Summit at Cloud Expo, taking place June 57, 2018, at the Javits Center in New York City, New York, is co-located with 22nd Cloud Expo, First DX World Expo, and will feature technical sessions from a rockstar conference faculty and the leading industry players in the world. The widespread success of cloud computing is driving the DevOps revolution in enterprise IT. Now as never before, development teams must communicate and collaborate in a dynamic, 247,365 environment. There is no time to wait. October 31, 2017, 12:30 p.m. EDT reads 4,952,018 at Cloud Expo and at Expo Tracks. B. Roger Strick of Cloud Expo DX World Expo have announced the conference tracks for Cloud Expo 2018. Cloud Expo will be held June 57, 2018, at the Javits Center in New York City, and November 68, 2018, at the Santa Clara Convention Center, Santa Clara, California. Digital transformation DX is a major focus with the introduction of DX Expo within the program. Successful transformation requires a laser focus on being data-driven and on using all the tools available that enable transformation if they plan to survive. October 31, 2017, 1200 p.m. EDT reads 1641 session monitoring unknowns with IB Pat Romansky in his session at DevOps Summit at 21st Cloud Expo. Guy Figel, co-founder and CTO at Signify, will dissect a few real-world examples where not knowing what you don't know led to massive outages and service disruptions. He'll explore how, despite the fact that modern DevOps teams have multiple monitoring tools, hundreds of metrics instrumented and are capturing billions of data points, downtime still happens. How about instead of implementing more monitoring, we bring forward a future where, October 31, 2017, 10:30 a.m. EDT reads 1324 Video Nutanix Enterprise Cloud for DevOps. Yesham Dennis. DevOps is often described as a combination of technology and culture. Without both, DevOps isn't complete. However, applying the culture to outdated technology is a recipe for disaster. As response times grow and connections between teams are delayed by technology, the culture will die. The Nutanix Enterprise Cloud has many benefits that provide the needed base for a true DevOps paradigm. In their Day 3 keynote at 20th Cloud Expo, Chris Brown, a solutions marketing manager at Nutanix, and Mark Lav, October 31, 2017, 10:30 a.m. EDT reads 985 Sodexis to exhibit at Cloud Expo Silicon Valley. Yesham Dennis. Syscon Events announced today that Sodexis will exhibit at SYSCON's 21st International Cloud Expo, which will take place on October 31, November 2, 2017, at the Santa Clara Convention Center in Santa Clara, California. Sodexis is the leader in data-driven enterprise global traffic management. Whether optimizing traffic through data centers, clouds, CDNs, or any combination, Sodexis solutions drive quality and cost-effectiveness. For more information, please visit https://www.sodexis.com. October 31, 2017, 10:30 a.m. EDT reads 1070.